Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video, we are going to teach you how to create a private server on Steal a Brainrot on Roblox. So without any delay, let's just dive right in directly and get started. So you can open up Roblox on your computer, and once you open up your Roblox, what you may do is you can go to the game, which is Steal a Brainrot. So you can use a search and type in Steal a Brainrot, and then you can just go over to the game, this one right here. Once you go over to the game, you can click on it, and after you click on it, you may scroll down, and right below this play section, you'll be finding service option. You can click on it. You should be finding about store and service. Click on service and click on this option called create private server. Now all you gotta do is you need to have a 79 Robux for that. So you will be needing additional 79. So you can just go over and purchase it. And once it is purchased, and you should be finding something like this. I'm using another game for now, but once you go to the server of the one that you're looking for, which is Steal a Brainrot, you will be finding Steal a Brainrot instead of this right here. And what you need to do is basically type in yourself a name once you buy it with 79 Robux. I'm just gonna type in this, let's say, and click on buy now. And you have successfully bought the server. Now you just need to click on customize. If you want to customize, don't now. If you want to do not now, let's customize it. So once you click on customize, you can configure your private server. You can allow joining for the people. If you want other people to join, you can allow it, and even allow the connection here. You can click on connection allowed and allow it, and you can add people here. You can click on this add people option here and add the people by typing in the username and clicking on add, and just go over and even generate the link. Click on generate, and the link will be available. You can just go ahead and share it with the people that you're trying to share, and that's it. So that is how you create up a private server on the game. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.